My Villabeautifful Duchess Luxe November box finally arrived, and it is big, and I want to show you guys what's inside because there's a lot of stuff. I'm excited. This is the second time I buy a kit, so let's take a look. She included a little card. The first item I pull out are these old looking die cut stickers, as well as these little scrapbook items. The second item is this really pretty little 2 notepads. Next up are these wax seal stickers. My favorite one is the key and the rose. Really pretty. Here are the washi tapes. That script is really pretty, and the last one is stickers. She included the envelope with pink lace on it. Here is the sticker book with gold foil on the stickers. I really like these types of sticker books because it's all in one, convenient, and it looks beautiful. Next up are these sticker pages, and they have gold foil script, which I really like, and these are tiny stickers, which are awesome. These are calendar cards for the year, and they have gold foiling on them. Next up is this bag, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Here is a washi stand, and it has a little panel where you can put like the calendar cards I just showed, and I think it's really neat. It has like a little film on it. You take it off and it's completely clear. Next up is this organizer, and she worked on this since 2018, and she included it now. This has storage in it and a lot of pockets, a lot of ways to organize. And this is different because she has hers on these little rings. Here you can put your pins and more pockets. So definitely you can store a lot and carry a lot with you, which I like. Next up are these 2 pretty little items. Let me open them. The first one is a planner charm. You can hang it from your planner and it just kind of sticks out and it looks really pretty. This one is meant to hang off of like the organizer, or you can use it really for anything. I really do like the little clusters, the pearls, and the little flower and the lace. It's all really pretty and girly, and I really like it. Here are the pin refills. This pin was given to everyone who pre-ordered the box, so I'm really happy I got it. This is a glossy white pin with rose gold hardware, peach, gray, and clear crystals. It's called Cameo. This next pin is a soft pale pink matte with gold hardware, and it's the first time she does like these little pearl beads inside. It looks really pretty. This pin is called Pearls and Lace. The next pin is a royal blue matte with gold hardware. The crystals are a mix of a gray blue, blue, and turquoise crystals. This pin is called Duke. Here is the last pin, and it's a beautiful blush pink that is matte with rose gold hardware. The crystals are a blush pink, pale lavender, blue, and iridescent crystals. This one is called Duchess. Here is everything I received in my November Luxe VB kit. I really do like this box, and I will leave a link down below for $5 off anything in her shop. It is beautiful. I really do like this because it's not a subscription. It's something that you pre-order and you get to see the theme, and you are surprised by the items that you get, which are all always beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.